Today I'm taking a look at the SimPure WPP sediment water filters. So these are woven filters. You can see that is a 5 micron, that is 10 inches in length by 4.5 inches in diameter. This one is good for rust, dirt, silt, sand, and undissolved particles. And taking a look, we can see that is a tightly wound filter. It does have a plastic core, so it's not going to fall apart, and it does appear to be perforated all the way down. To replace these, first thing we're going to do is drain the water. I'm also going to isolate this, so I'm not draining the entire system. We put on our strap wrench. There are different tools for this, but this is what I find that works the best. Loosen these guys up. Pull out my old filter. If there's any sediment in there, go ahead and wash that out. Check your seal, make sure the bed is still good. Drop the filter, put it back in. On a wrench, get a few taps. Don't need to be too tight. Do the same thing over here. Open back up our flow. Alright, now we are good to go.